WNL's AED First Responder Kit comes equipped with the tools needed to prepare a patient for CPR and the application of an AED. Its durable, resealable plastic bag is sized perfectly to store in your AED cabinet or emergency bag. Each AED First Responder Kit includes 1 pair of non-latex gloves for added protection, 1 pair of heavy-duty emergency shears to cut through clothes to expose the bare chest for pad placement, 1 medical prep razor to remove excess chest hair to ensure AED pads stick properly, 2 disinfecting wipes to clean sweat or remove hair residue, ensuring the chest is dry and clean for optimal pad adhesion, 1 CPR mask with a one-way valve to eliminate direct mouth-to-mouth contact when delivering rescue breaths, 2 sterile gauze pads for use as needed to control any bleeding at the site or to dry the chest if the wipes are insufficient, 1 self-sealing biohazard bag for proper disposal of contaminated items. WNL's AED First Responder Kit can be used in real-life emergencies or for training purposes. Whether you're a first responder or an instructor, this kit is the perfect solution for you.